So guys, chapter 2, helicopters. Grandpa, we can take you down easily again. We already just banged the grandpa. Now let's just attack him again with another video of the helicopter escaping in Grand Just. But just in case, be careful. What's that thing? Can hear anything what we do? Grandma can't hear well, but the grandpa has something that she can do to us. Nothing. No good items are here. No, wait, what? Nothing? Nothing. Oh wait, I need a gas line. Nah. No, nothing else for joke. Oh, no. No need for that. Oh, not sweet potatoes. Network. Oh wait, can I? Actually, you know what? Wait. Let's just see if he is. We'll do it later.
I see you.
Oh, okay, garbage. Piece of this. Oh yes, we need that thing. Should handy. Nah. Okay, stun gun might be here. Ding! Bingo! I'm right again. I mean, sometimes not, but always sometimes right. I mean, not saying that I'm magic man. That's why I'm wizard. Our man looks like wizard. No, yeah, kinda, but no. Okay. You eat it. Oh my. Jesus Christ. He's right behind my tail. Hurry up. Please, Duncan Hammer. Might be here. If. No. Wake up. Old fool. Wake up, man. You're wasting my time. Get out. Boom. Yeah, 6. I don't know what is in here. Oh, let's just unlock again. Sometime it might be not unlock. No, we don't need that thing. That shouldn't come handy. If I'm right, it might be padlock. No, I'm not right this time. Oh, the crowbar could be in down, right? The crowbar, I only one place it can hide. Inside this area. Yeah, I can take this surreal picture. Thank you. This property belongs to me too. Actually, it belongs to Grandpa because he have a picture of this animal You can alter. Almost, he killed me almost. That makes voice to come to take him here. And although I knock him up again with this thing called stun gun. You're gonna come from there because that's the nearest place where you can come. Right? No? Where, Grandpa? Is he? No. Get away. Stupid.
Here you are.
Come here. Old men of the old entire country. Come on, get me out of here. Get the hell out of here. Wait. Did he do that? He do that. He always do that. That's why I call him idiot, because he is that kind of weirdo. Okay. Oh my god, you pushed this gasoline away. Don't do that, man. I'm doing this with my hard work. I mean, not that much. Okay, who the heck is this? Stop sending messages. I'm gonna screw up my whole game. If you do like the middle of some important thing. Okay, that is not that much important. I mean, the main thing, which is without main thing, is he right here. And without this helicopter cannot move his butt a little bit. And that is a helicopter chopper key. Yep. Drop that baby there. Wait, where's, oh yeah, there you are. There you are. I see you. I see you sometime. Oh, what the hell? Dude. Oh, what is inside this one? Nah, it's just old things. Old people love this things like no more. I mean, oh, look at this dude here. Hiya. Run from that away. Hey, is that a security key? Oh yeah, it is. Don't leave that baby there. Okay. Wait, I didn't pick up the manual. Ah, stupid. I forgot this is not door escape or a boat escape. It is a helicopter escape. I mean, who the heck not bang? I'm the one who's hecky. Hey, Grandpa, get the hell out of here.
I see you.
You see me? Well, I see you better than you do. Uh-oh. Come on, give me that. Oh, you give me that. You fall in your own tub. Yeah, that is what your house is. Sorry, I'm just joking. Stay there, please. And don't move. Don't move your butt a little bit. Oh wait, you know what? I bring this with me because I don't want that if I need something that could be inside it. Wait, we just only need these stuff. Oh no, duct tape. Oh, I glad I just gone without even thinking anything. That's it. We need just two more items that I didn't brought because I can. You know what? You can also open because now I don't need any. Oh wait, you idiot! Just bring this too. Fuse. That's main thing of the part of this game. I tear you apart. And this thing too. This should come in handy. Take this, granny. Kaboom. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Okay, we can do it. We have all stuffs now. Let's just shift these things are here. Now we need to shift these things here. First of all, let's just also take the stun gun first. Let's just take stun gun first. Because if he comes, then we can shoot him from the hardpoint. Because if we don't, then it's his fault. Actually, it's your fault only that you captured me in this house. And now, you're getting hurt. Your fault, old man, your fault. So bad. You captured me in your house and now you are the one who getting very hurt with that. Wait, can we even go inside this? Please, Grandpa, don't snap out. I'm kind of scared because he cannot come. Is he gonna... Not yet. Oh, he's in Granny's house. You dancing right? Okay, he left the dance middle of that. Here's some currency here and some kind of beetles. Here's a beetle. Wait, did he pass? Wait, oh yeah, he did. Now he's gonna come here. Okay, let's drop here. Let's just drop this here and this gasoline here, and let's just take these two items there. Let marijuana, a mashing butt of piranha, a butt of piranha. Injo macho, nature nata. We gone down. Oh, why? I don't know. You know what? Let's just use this stun gun. But first of all, let's just reuse and regain that. Now I'm doing it. No. Okay, so the thing is, there's the weapon key. Okay, that makes sense. Where we need to shoot the weapon, there is the key already, and we don't need this too. So apparently, okay, all we need to do is to sell this fuse. But without fuse also I can cross this. If you saw in last video, you know that, right? Yeah, all of you know, because I know you all are smart. Wait, there we were. Let's see who we got behind this. Ding, our old stuff. And I don't need you. Bye bye. Thank you for helping me in those stuffs. Well, now I don't need you. Sorry. Just wait. And we didn't caught in any wasted any day. That's nice. Yeah. That is nice. Go on, fill this up. Before this video timing gets more time. I mean, waste the all time of our alls. So if you don't want to get me in time like that, you can go. Oh yeah, right there. I wish Grandpa could dare so he can just get in his head. Dish, like, boom. Wait, what the hell are you doing? Oh. Okay, let it be open. I want to see how their Grandpa will. Some sort of. We settle everything. Wings and this and. I love this song. It's the victory song of the victory guy. Yeah. Victory song for the victory man. Wait, first. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, I'm escaping. Yeah, that's right, Grandpa. Stay there. Don't move. Otherwise, I'll cut your head with this blade of the wings of the helicopter. So if you like this video, guys, then give me some like and write in comments what kind of things I can else do for you. And today's enough. Bye bye. That's it. Bye bye. Lol.